Hello, good morning everyone. Today is Wednesday, 2023, July and 12th. So today morning briefing, I'm going through US market, Malaysia markets, and then some stock in the Malaysia, speaking by research house. So first of all, as usual, we need to go through the disclaimer first. This video is for the educational purpose. It's not a buying or selling call for the viewer or investors. So if you are placing any orders through based on the stock picks by the research house, I would say you need to consider your risks before you thinking of the reward. So let's move ahead for the US stocks. So this one is the Nasdaq. Let's zoom in a little bit. So overnight, Nasdaq is rebounding with this one considered quite healthy trading strength. So if we are drawing some line here, let's see whether can it capture some trend over here. Yep, it does. Yep, this trend is well supported right over here. Let's have a look on the Nasdaq is quite well at this moment. So S&P is also. Yes, is consider they are saving for the Iceland. So now is the trending still reward continuing uptrend formations. Dow Jones we see is potentially going to break this level right here. So we draw some line, short-term trending. See whether can it break the resistance right over here. So let's have a look for the KLCI. KLCI overnight is up by 8 points. It's pretty strong at this moment, I would say, although it haven't break the downtrend line. So it's pretty much convincing for the market sentiment is coming in, and the trading volume in the markets overall is very active right now. So investor or trader may consider the going in at this moment. We can see there are a lot of stocks has been breaking up from the foundation base. So trader is pretty much enjoying for this moment. So let's go through one by one for the stock pick by the research house. First one will be the M+, which is Volcano. So Volcano, okay, the overnight is rebounding, closing at 96.5. Their stop loss level is 955. So the stop loss level is pretty much like more than 10%, more than 10%. So and the target is 102 and 108. I would say you can ignore the first target. You should aim for 108 instead, because the risk reward 1-to-1 is pretty much based on the stop loss and the 1-to-1 108. So that's the minimum requirement for the what they call basics of the technical trading plan. I would say we may remove this one unless you are buying for the retracement. Okay, so Volcanoes. Next one would be the Maybank Investment Bank. What's the top pick would be Inari. So Inari, so they are trading for the this pick differently for the string. I mean, sideways been couple weeks stay over here, 277 closing overnight, and their stop loss level is 262. 262 is around 10-15 cents. So consider very basics lah, the stop loss level, and their target is 2.5, and then followed by 320. So we can see that earlier on for the last month they are already pushing up from here with a volume. Consider over here is already creating a very good base right here. So Inari, if you are holding for medium term, I would say it's considered quite trading's pick. Okay, Inari. So the next one will be the JSB. So JSB, let's zoom. Okay, I cannot zoom in. Zoom in, I will not able to see the target price. Never mind, we zoom in a little bit. So it's been consolidating since February. Since February, it's trading sideways. The volume in between is very much active. So the overnight closing is 8.5, and the stop loss level given is 84 cents, slightly below the previous low. When the target given is 94.5, and then followed by 105. Okay. You may stick to the trading plan if you are interested to join into JSP. Excuse me. Next one will be the Sun Surya. Overnight closing at 46 cents with a stop loss of 41 cents. The stop loss level is plus minus 10 to 11%, with a target of 505 and 57 cents. So this one is playing for the rebounding. So the next one will be by the RHB. Popcorn. They picked this stock because of the breakup of 8.4 half level. So overnight closing 8.55 with a stop loss level 81 cents, followed by the target given is 90 cents and 1 ringgit. We have to zoom out a little bit. So this one is playing for the rebounding at the support level. Okay, so the 9 legs. So this one is also buy call for the breakout of 455 level. Okay, and the stop loss level is 405. Okay, then target 545 and 60 cents. Very standard lah. I mean support level and the resistance pretty much standard one. So so the last by the research house will be the Glotech. So it's playing for the rebounding from the support. We can see right over here, and they are closing overnight is 47 cents with a stop loss level 4.2 So and target is 53 cents and 58 cents. Pretty much standard over here. So it's pretty confirm is buying for the support. Okay, rebounding from the support. So the another one will be Nilex. Nilex already picked by another resource house, so I will skip for this one. The next one will be Permata. So Permata, so rebounding from support, and overnight closing is 301, and the stop loss level is 352. With a target 337 followed by 349. I think this is a very bad picks. Sorry to say, this is a very bad picks. By looking at the stop loss level, the gap is too big to trade. The gap is too big to trade, unless you are talking for you are waiting for the retracement to come back down first, only you can join in. Definitely I wouldn't recommend investor or trader come into per market at this moment. If you are given cut loss level is too big, there's no point for this trade. Anyhow, you can pick the other stocks that has been picked by the other research house. I'm going through one stocks right here where I was suggesting trader or investor trader can look into it, which is Franken. So overnight Franken coming in to testing the resistance level 330. So what we are looking into this counter Franken would be, we zoom out a little bit so to see a clearer big picture over here. You can see that the gray color 330 is pretty much like a strong resistance level. Of course it did happen like it break and then it come down earlier on back in January. Anyhow, I believe sooner or later it will break this level. So 330, I would say if trader interest to join in into Franken, I would say the stop loss level would be around 310, which is 20 cents comparing to yesterday closing. Given target is 360 followed by 385. So in trader can look into this one. For the Telegram channel, I believe I'm going to open to the block page soon. So the retail investor can join in if they are interested to it. And if you want to open an investment account with Maybank, you can look for me in the description link. So I believe that's all for today. Thank you very much and goodbye.